What's up, everybody? I am live here with HalalFest Reviews, and today I'm gonna be trying out Angry Hot Chicken here in San Jose, right off of Berryessa. They just opened. I'm so excited to be having halal Nashville hot fried chicken sandwiches. Come on, let's go check this out. Let's go. Look at that fried chicken. So excited to be having this right here. Super seasoned, ready to go, and then we're gonna spice it. Check out that mac and cheese. Oh yeah, let's do it. Oh man, they put fresh mac and cheese and then they put cut up spicy tenders on top with French fries and toast. Woo! Oh my god, I am so glad I'm hungry. Look at that. Oh yeah, look at that right there. And they put a little bit of that secret sauce right on top. Let's go. We're here at Angry Hot Chicken once again, and we're finally going to try the food Angry Fries. Check that out. Oh my god. We have French fries, macaroni and cheese. I think for this one we got the perfect heat. So still gonna be spicy. My level of tolerance is not amazingly great, so I'm a little afraid, but we're gonna give this thing a try, man. I'm so excited. Fresh mac and cheese on here, coleslaw, ooh, the tender. We're gonna just dive right in, I guess, right? We got the secret sauce on top. Oh, let's go. Wow. The flavors just really jump out at you. I mean, macaroni and cheese with French fries, then you throw the heavily Nashville hot sauce, deep fried chicken. I'd give it the perfect heat. Is pretty much a perfect heat. I'm not like dying right now, but it's really good. I mean, fresh chicken, halal chicken, of course. Gotta give one more try, bismillah. Definitely order this thing, man. I mean, when you guys are hungry, maybe a little halal CBD, come and get some of this. So good. All right, the moment we've been waiting for. I signed the waiver. I got the Reaper level slider chicken sandwich here. I'm a little afraid, but because my spice tolerance isn't amazing, but I have my bottle of water ready. I'm gonna cool this thing down before I even dive into it with their secret sauce, something you guys should totally get, by the way. I tried it with nothing on it and it was really good. And now, oh God, bismillah. Again, my spice tolerance, weak. So, but we're doing the Reaper level, top level sandwich bite right here. Let's go. Right away, you just get that punch of spice. Oh, it's really hot. Okay, you can see how weak I am. Woo! That was good. That's really, really good. Owners recommended a little bit of honey to go. Maybe cool it down. I'm gonna take a second bite here because I'm feeling kind of brave and my mouth is just on fire right now. On fire. But bismillah. Okay. Once you get past the heat with that honey, the sweet and savory. Wow. I love that they use a Texas toast too. And the coleslaw is so fresh. So yes, it's really spicy. I'm feeling it all the way down to my stomach. But the honey, the coleslaw, the special sauce, all of that really totally helps. I need another drink of water. They have other things here that I want to highlight. They make their ranch. They got the secret sauce, and if you're feeling daring, they put more of the spicy sauce on the side. Can you believe that? Oh my God. You know what? This is for all my Muslim, Indian, and Pakistanis right here. We're gonna do more. Let's go. You know what? The secret sauce is really good. The honey is really good, but I think their Nashville hot is my favorite. Sorry, it's really spicy, but not enough to the point where you're like ruining everything, right? You're actually like, the spice is hitting me. I'm sweating. I'm a little crying, but I can still taste everything really well. But I would use this. This is really good. We're so happy to be here. Thanks to everybody. Everybody needs to come out. Angry Hot Chicken, San Jose, Berryessa, just opened, fully 100% halal. Check out HalalFest at HalalFest. Leave your comments below. Let me know what you guys think. Check out my chef page at Halal Chef Hisham. So excited to be here for you, and we'll see you next time. Let's go.